MSB Mechanical. I'm the piping superintendent. We're currently here at St. Katharine Drexel High School in Stouffville, Ontario. This job here is a 155,000 square foot school. Consists of a daycare, elementary school, and high school. Here we did all the plumbing, HVAC, gas work for this building, as well as all the mechanical equipment. We're currently in the third floor mechanical room here at St. Katharine Drexel High School. This is the heart of the school here. This is where we have our air handling units providing all the fresh air and air movement to this building. We also have the boilers, pumps, and all the chilled equipment in here that provides cooling and heating, as well as hot water to the system. This one was a little bit of a tricky task as we have high ceilings above us. So a lot of work was entailed here in coordination in regards to duct work as well as sheet metal.